Meaning of dag. Dag. Dag.
Dag. Dag. Dag is a colloquial term commonly used in Australia and New Zealand that is equivalent to damn. It is often used as an exclamation of surprise, anger, or frustration. The origin of the word is believed to be a euphemism for dagnabbit, which was a minced oath used as a less offensive alternative to God damn it. Today, dag has become a commonly used word in casual conversation throughout Australia and New Zealand, although it is generally considered informal and should be avoided in formal contexts.